Hello, Serious Survivor here. And this is part of the Gear and Gadget series. And this little tool is something that would just come in handy. It's definitely not very expensive. I got these at Walmart. I think I bought a pack of like 2 or 4 of them for like $2. So they're not that expensive. But what they are is an expandable towel or towelette, whatever you want to call it. But you submerge this in water and it will basically swell, and then you'll have a cloth that you can reuse and reuse again. So this is just a pretty handy little device to keep in your pack. I keep a lot of these in all of my packs because, you know, a cloth is going to come in handy for so many different things, especially, you know, just general hygiene, cleaning things such as that. And the fact that it's reusable instead of disposable, then that gives us, you know, just another tool that we can use just to help make life a little easier. But let's check it out. To make it unfold, you have to submerge it in water. But first I'm going to open it up here. Okay, now that I've got it open, you can see it just looks like it's a solid little compressed little disc. But when we submerge it in water, like we do here, it'll slowly expand, and as we can see, it's expanding. And once you let it get hydrated very well, then we can pull it out. I'm gonna wring it out because it has soaked up a lot of water. This is a very absorbent cloth. And we open it up, and here we go. You got a nice little towelette, very, you know, larger than you would expect, probably. And I like this because, you know, it's not gonna last forever, but this is something that if you can wash and you can reuse if necessary a few times, definitely not in the long term, but having these is just a nice little addition to any survival kit or bug out bag. Have a few in mine, as we can see here. It's pretty large. I got these at my local Walmart, so I would expect you could probably find them in a similar store if you don't have a Walmart nearby. Any type of survival store is gonna have them. They're pretty cheap, but I will find some locations you can order them from, and I'll put that in the links below. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope it helps. And for now, Serious Survivor, out.